Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to go over a really quick way to become an affiliate with a company called SunWarrior and how much I've made with them, and I'll show you exactly what to do to start earning money as an affiliate with SunWarrior. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to sunwarrior.com just to see if this would be a good fit for you. For me personally, I follow a plant-based diet, and this company offers a lot of really great high-quality plant-based products, supplements like super greens, protein powder, magnesium, and some other really great stuff. But what you're going to want to do is, if you go to this website, sunwarrior.com, and you explore it and you're like, yeah, this would be a good match for me, then you're going to go over to Google and type in SunWarrior Affiliate, and this link pops up. You're going to go ahead and click on that and scroll down and click join here. What it's going to do is it's going to take you to a site like this where you're going to sign up. Now I've already signed up, so I'm going to go ahead and just log into my account, and I'll show you how much I've earned over the past couple of months. If we take this code, let's see here, let's take it back to April and we'll go until now. So what I've made in about 8 months. As you can see, all of these orders were fulfilled using my affiliate link, and because of that, I have earned $2,137. To me, this has been the best way to make money. As you can see, this is my unpaid balance, and in my previous payments, you can see I've received this amount of money for each month, and I'm due $459.8. And it's a really easy way to make some money. So if this is exciting to you, you're going to click the link in the description below, create your free account, and then you'll have this affiliate code. As you can see, my affiliate code number is 638. So when I want to create a link to a specific page, I'll need to append this data to the end of the URL. You can create pages by going to the link generator tab. If you wanted to create a specific link for, let's say, this product right here, you would copy the URL, head back over to the affiliates panel, and paste the URL here. And all it's going to do is add the question mark with AF and then your affiliate code at the end. But I'll show you right now what it does. Okay, so you can see it appended this variable thing here, and then you're going to copy this link. So when people go to that link and they visit it, it's got your affiliate code up here at the top. When they go through and they buy something, you will get 10% of however much they spend. So if someone were to buy this, you would earn about $3.50. And I know that may not sound that great, but as you can see, if we go back, let's say just for the month of October, I was able to send this many orders and I was able to earn this amount of money. I sent this amount of money to SunWarrior and they're giving me about 10% of the commissions. So if this looks exciting to you, I highly recommend checking out the SunWarrior affiliate program, signing up today, and start sharing your links everywhere. For me personally, I have an Instagram account and I have a YouTube account creating videos about SunWarrior and their products. So if this is something that interests you and you want to start earning money like this, then go ahead and sign up. I put a link in the description below and get started today. One thing I want to note, if you post your coupon codes on websites like Retail Me Not or Coupon Chief or WeThrift.com, or if your code is found on any of the sites like Honey or whatever those other coupon things are, you can see that I have, let's see, maybe I don't have it here, but if you add your code to any of those sites, you can potentially get banned from the affiliate program. So do not do that. You have to promote via social media, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, create videos on YouTube, whatever it takes. Those are the only ways that you can earn money from this. You can't go to Facebook and create advertisements. And I know this because I created advertisements without knowing, and that is against the terms and conditions. So if this sounds something good to you, then I highly recommend signing up. And I will see you guys in the next